Next, we are going to simplify rational expressions to lowest terms. How do we do that? We're going to factor the polynomial if needed, cancel out what they have in common. So we start easy. These two are pretty easy. We can simplify this. The 15 and the 12 are both divisible by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now I have 4 x's on the top and 3 x's on the bottom. Cross out what they have in common. You're left with an x on the top. So that is simplified. Just simplifying, not solving. 10 and 30 can be reduced by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 30 divided by 10 is 3. I have 15 x's on the top and only 5 on the bottom. So if you remember, same thing over here. If you remember, when you have a situation like this, you just subtract your exponents. So we have x to the 10th. All right. Now, when you have a polynomial over a polynomial, you have to factor them first. So I'm going to factor the top. So I know I have x and x. So I need 24. That will also get me 10. So 12 times 2 and 12 minus 2 could work. 6 and 4 could also work. So to get a positive 10, I can't do any subtraction, so I know that this one's not going to work. But I can add 6 and 4 and get 24. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, this one, x and x. All right, 48, I have 6 and 8. And if I subtract those, I get 2, so that's going to work. All right, so 6 and 8. I need a negative 2, so that means I'm at negative 8, and I add 6, gives me negative 2. All right, so now cancel out what they have in common. So your final answer is, and you can actually, your final answer does not have to have the parentheses. Okay, this one, I have x and x. All right, I need 60. 12 and 5 will give me 60, and 12 and 5 will also give me 17. Okay. This is a sum of squares, so I have x, x, 5, 5, plus, minus. So they have those two in common. So your final answer is those two.